2004 F-150 XLT Triton 4.6 liter. Have it ticking, I'm not too sure what it's from. Any help or people say that that's normal, I'm not sure. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.